Welcome. My name is Niels. I'm the owner of Peasy Ecom, which is a company that manages and grows companies. What do we grow? We grow e-commerce brands. Not your shitty drop shipping businesses. We grow real brands. We have equity in 2 brands right now, and they did between $15 and $30 million in the last 12 months. Why? Because we're awesome. The owner says, you can do my shit better than I can do it. How about I give you a part of my company and you grow it for me? Sounds good? And that's what we did. This year we're gonna grow our own brand. I can't tell you yet what that is, but I invite you to subscribe to this channel. Right along, I'm gonna show you everything behind the scenes, how we grow these brands from zero. We're just bootstrapping shit. Why am I doing this? Because sharing the lessons with you actually helps me remember the lessons that I learned, which is important. I also want to show you why it's important to build a brand. Why I believe building e-commerce, dropshipping businesses isn't worth it. Why I believe you need a real brand. How real brands look like. What is a brand? That's all I'm gonna do here. So strap along, subscribe. See you then. Cheers.